Hello. Through the next 5 episodes, we will deal with a curious case, a case dealing with debt, betrayal, stupidity, and a whole lot of money. This is the reality show. We will begin this swim in an ocean of human stupidity, where we will be dealing with a case of a humble man and woman, both owing their 3 sons over a Google pesos of money each. We weren't able to interview them in the studio, but so we had to drive to their house. Okay, roll the clip. Hello, we are on the reality show. We are about to interview a couple, Mr. and Mrs. Abatis, who apparently owes over a Google pesos in money to each of their 3 sons. So why do you owe over a Google pesos to each of your 3 sons?
Well, it started with a contract that said we had to pay 2 cents for their allowance on the first day, 4 cents on the second day, and so on and so forth. We didn't realize.
And so, if you knew that, if it was compounded every day, and you finally realized, why didn't you get yourself out of the contract?
We weren't thinking at all. I think it's because of the rare mental disease that we were diagnosed with by Dr. De Vera. What's the disease called? I forgot.
Okay. If you couldn't get yourself out of the contract, why didn't you get a lawyer to bust your ass out of it?
We just really weren't thinking at all. I guess it happened because of the disease.
Yes, the disease.
Okay, thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Abatis. And we're going back to the studio. So that is the beginning of our case. Next week, we'll be dealing with a doctor who diagnosed this rare and mysterious disease. And we will find out exactly what it does. Tune in next week on the reality show.